Hello, I'm a French entertainer. This is I'm the best entertainer. You can see this is my robot. I'm gonna show you why I am the best entertainer in the world. So this is how I make a living, you know, with this rat. So right now I'm gonna make a demonstration of abstract painting. Not some basic abstract painting. We're gonna paint abstract painting 3D, you know. So how do you make abstract painting 3D with blue and red? You know, this is the blue. And then here we have the red. Well, the red is a bit dry right now. I'm going to change the option. Voilà. And now I should paint. This is on a big size. Just to let you know that this is oil painting, of course. Well, actually, I think it's going to be a blue painting, you know, because we're running out of time. Yeah. And this painting is only 10 quid, some art gallery, and so I'm gonna finish it with red, but you see this later. So I think this is the end.
La bière. Rap and Roll Kebab, siamo in Londra adesso, estamos in la calle Dable Street. Solo quiero decir que siamo nel migliore kebab de Soho, la esquina con Berwick Street. Buon appetito, arrivederci. Alors nous voici à Park Gallery, Summer Show, voilà. Oui, voici notre idée. Alors nous voici ici avec deux amis, alors voilà, Michaele de Venise, salut Michaele, salut Claire, how are you Claire? We are here because your shoes are wonderful, we would like to, oh yes, oh la la. Can you move a toe? Ah, yeah. So this one is the mark is Vibro. Vibro? No.
Yeah, Vibro.
Vibro. That's a cool name for a brand, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what have you got there in the?
This is an exhibition that's on at Selfridges at the moment.
Yeah.
Drawing attention to the oceans being destroyed.
The ocean being destroyed. Poor ocean. Poor ocean. Okay, you open that for us, please. So lots of Medusa. This is good for you, huh?
This is really interesting. It's what I'm looking for.
Yeah,
look at this one.
He just did. Michaele just did a tattoo. Michaele is a tattoo
a few days
artist.
ago. Yeah. Can I have it? Oh, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Ah, that's cool.
A few days ago, did something similar.
Ah yeah.
Yeah.
Salut.
Hello.
Bubu, fashion designer with recycling bags like that.
That's
You know?
excellent. That's so cool.
Yeah, it's cool, huh?
Picture.
Yeah, making picture. Mapo, toy vendor. Emilio.
Selfridges, the exhibition that's on at the moment. Where is
Yeah,
it? In
so
Selfridges.
Spugna,
The
artiste polyvalent.
designers take inspiration.
So what's going on, guys? You're a bit late, huh?
Yeah, they're always late.
Yeah, always late.
Wait them anymore.
Selfridges is probably open till about 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, so we can go later.
You wanna go to Selfridges? Huh? Are we going to the subway gallery? You don't wanna go to the gallery? Okay, this is what Wrap and Roll Kebab. Au coin Barley Street et de Berwick Street. Wrap and Roll Kebab. C'est le meilleur kebab de Soro. Bon appétit. Yeah. Michele?
Hello?
Hello, how are you? How is your portrait going?
It's going good, I think. Now
Yeah?
I'm working on all the outlines and I'm going crazy. I'm losing my eyes.
I can't believe this is me, man.
Yeah.
So we see Ratatouille here, huh?
with La Rata.
Yeah.
And yeah, there's just your face left, I think. And more details on the hands and the coat of arms.
Oh, the coat of arms, yeah, that's amazing. Yeah.
With the braid and the brush. Yeah. No, I think tomorrow I will finish the hat, so see you for the...
For more, yeah. Tomorrow you finish my face, yeah. And this is Ratatouille.
This is Ratatouille,
Yeah, Ratatouille the painter.
the painter.
And who are you?
And Anne Bichon.
Anne Bichon, enchanté.
Anne Bichon, like the dog, you know, Bichon.
Oui.
Yeah, the little dog. Very nice dog.
The Bichon, yeah, I see it's a kind of caniche, isn't it?
Yes, kind, but it's not really caniche.
Yeah, it's of a breed, yeah.
More.
Yeah, it's a bit like a bulldog as well, no?
Non plus, non.
No? I don't know, sorry, I'm not a specialist in dog.
Non, c'est ce que je vois apparemment.
Yeah, I'm more into teddy bears like this over there.
Good.
And rats, you know.
Très bien.
But,
Ça, c'est les peintures que tu fais alors.
This is, ça c'est les peintures de Ratatouille, ouais.
D'accord.
Et celui-là, tu vois, il peint, il est en or.
Oui, très
Et il peint en or. Celui-là, il peint en or. Sur le mur, là, tu vois, à côté. C'est sa peinture.
Très bien.
Ouais.
Grand avenir.
Ouais, grand avenir. Bah, grand présent surtout, parce que l'avenir, on sait pas. Hein.
Là, c'est ma première carte postale de Venise. Alors, Venise, c'est pas bien compliqué, je ne peux pas vous le décrire. C'est un endroit où il faut venir. Si vous n'êtes jamais venu à Venise, il faut y aller. Vital. Les musulmans doivent aller à la Mecque. Tous les citoyens, tous les hommes du monde doivent venir à Venise. C'est un endroit dans lequel il y a une expérience étonnante. C'est une ville qui est faite d'une accumulation incroyable de bâtiments, d'architecture magnifiques. Et avec une densité comme on ne peut même pas imaginer. C'est-à-dire que les palais, d'un palais à l'autre, on les touche. C'est-à-dire que c'est avec des passages, des ruelles extrêmement étroites, des palais qui donnent sur les canaux, des canaux partout, des bateaux, une espèce de monde un petit peu de rêve féerique. Et là, on est dans les Giardini. Les Giardini, c'est une partie de la ville dans laquelle il y a dans un jardin des pavillons. Et les grands pays ont un pavillon dans lequel ils présentent leur artiste officiel pendant cette fameuse biennale de Venise, qui a le biennale tous les 2 ans. Là, l'artiste présenté par la Suisse, c'est Thomas Hirschhorn, qui est connu et qu'on reconnaît très souvent par une espèce d'accumulation et utilisation de matériaux de récupération, et toujours en tapissant avec du papier aluminium. Papier aluminium, utilisation du gros scotch. Et là, c'est une expérience assez intéressante. On rentre, on se promène, on est à l'intérieur d'une sorte de grand magasin ou de grand centre religieux dans lequel il y a des petits hôtels qui célèbrent les grands thèmes de notre vie, l'information, la religion, le sport, la bouffe. Voilà, il faut venir à
Wrap and Roll Kebab, el mejor kebab del centro. Aquí estamos en la calle Double Street. Double Street, el kebab muy bueno, a la esquina con, no, en el cuadro con Berkeley Street, Berwick Street, el mejor kebab de Soho. Aquí estamos. Hasta luego.
On Facebook you can see her. There's some sexy people at the front desk. Maybe we should hang out in the front desk as well. But she has like, have a look. What kind of sexy girl is that, man? I wish I spoke to her. No, there's no trousers there. What is it? Yeah, it's there. This is the rat room. This is the rat room, so the rat does painting and gold like that. Okay. And this is so this is another character. It's cousin. And this is a portrait of Ratatouille. And myself using it, you know, like that. And this is some movies, because we make some internet TV. So on this website you can see more movies. Okay. What's up? Allez, ok. C'est assez sexy, je le disais ça, non? Avec les cheveux roses. Oui, il y a des meufs qui m'ont fait leur chat. Remember in the girl show us our pussy?
Yeah.
Wasn't a good pussy.
Ouais, le pussy. She shot.
The tattoos. It was like,
Yeah, like tattoo. I was like myself here with the girl, you know. So when Mikael they come back, I said, "Oh, come on, you show our tattoo to Mikael as well." And then again, oh. It was not fresh.
If you listen to me every day, a girl is showing up.
Yeah. Well, if I remember.
Even when I was there, I wouldn't see, but Sonny would have seen.
Some girls they would show me their pussy. I take a train, you know, for 3 hours. I would see they would show me their pussy for 3 hours. You know, sometimes 2 or 3. She's crazy, man. 2 or 3. Crazy girls, nice. Well, this is gonna be the ashtray we're gonna smoke. We tried for but they're not coming here. Une color? Fresh, yeah? You can smoke in the terrace, the terrace, on the terrace. Let's go, hein?
We need more serious hard work inside, I think.
Yeah, let's do it.